Question: have you ever found yourself in a situation where you needed to reach out to Relay Payments customer service but couldn't find the right number? It's a common frustration, but fear not. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of Relay Payments customer service and provide you with all the information you need to get your questions answered. Hook. Imagine this: you're sitting at your desk, ready to make a transaction through Relay Payments. Suddenly, something goes wrong. Your payment is declined, or you're unsure about a specific fee. You need help, and you need it fast. What do? Building context. Relay Payments is a popular financial technology platform that offers a wide range of services, from payment processing to international transfers. While it's a convenient tool, there are times when you might encounter issues or have questions. That's where customer service comes in. The importance of customer service. Customer service is the backbone of any company. It's the department that directly interacts with customers, addressing their concerns, and providing support. For Relay Payments, customer service is essential for maintaining customer satisfaction and loyalty. Finding the customer service number. Now, let's get to the main question: what is the Relay Payments customer service number? While there are a few ways to find this information, here are the most common methods. Relay Payments website. The easiest way to find the customer service number is to visit the Relay Payments website. Look for a Contact Us or Support section. This is where you'll likely find the phone number, as well as other contact options like email and live chat. Relay Payments app. If you use the Relay Payments app, there should be a customer support section within the app itself. Look for a Help or Contact Us button. This will usually provide you with the phone number and other contact options. Google search. A simple Google search can also yield results. Search for Relay Payments customer service number and see what comes up. You might find the number listed on the company's website or on forums where users have shared their experiences. Tips for effective customer service interactions. Once you have the customer service number, it's important to know how to make the most of your interaction. Here are a few tips. Be clear and concise. When you call customer service, be clear about the issue you're facing. Explain the problem in as much detail as possible, but avoid rambling. Gather necessary information. Before calling, gather any relevant information, such as your account number, transaction ID, or error message. This will help the customer service representative assist you more efficiently. Be patient and polite. Remember that customer service representatives are there to help you. Be patient and polite, even if you're frustrated. A positive attitude can go a long way in resolving your issue. Take notes. During the conversation, take notes of any important information or instructions given by the representative. This will help you if you need to follow up later. Additional contact options. In addition to the phone number, Relay Payments might offer other contact options, such as email or live chat. These can be useful if you prefer a written communication or if you have a complex issue that requires in-depth discussion. Frequently asked questions. Here are some frequently asked questions about Relay Payments customer service. What are the customer service hours? Can I get support in languages other than English? How long does it typically take to receive a response to an email or live chat inquiry? Conclusion. Finding the Relay Payments customer service number shouldn't be a hassle. By following the methods outlined in this video, you can easily connect with their support team and get the assistance you need. Call to action. If you have any further questions or experiences with Relay Payments customer service, feel free to share them in the comments below. Your feedback can help others who may be facing similar issues. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more informative content. Until next time.